Okay. Find the solution of x plus 5 greater than 0. Number 1, x plus 5 minus 5 greater than 0 minus 5. And x becomes x greater than minus 5. And number which is greater than 5 are minus 5, comma, positive infinity. Positive infinity. And number 2, x plus 4 less than 3. X plus 4 minus 4 less than 3 minus 4. Again, x less than 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1. X is the minus 1. In interval 4 minus infinity, comma, minus 1. When we draw this the number line, it is minus 1, it is 0, minus 2, minus 3. It goes to infinity. That means x less than negative 1 are numbers minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and etc. etc. And number 3, again number 3, x minus 7 plus 7 plus 7 less than 10 plus 7. X plus minus 7 plus 7 becomes 0. Then the answer x less than 1 7. X less than 1 7. And number x is equals to 1 6, 1 5, 1 4, and it goes to infinity, negative infinity. Therefore, the answer is negative infinity, comma, 1 7. Again, x minus 4 plus 4 greater than or equal to minus 12 plus 4. Again, x greater than or equal to minus 12 plus 4 becomes minus 8. This means so that x is equal to minus 8 and 8 greater than minus 8. And numbers which are x greater than negative 8 and equal to negative 8 are the solution for the inequality x minus 4 greater than 12. Greater than 12. In interval form, it can be included as numbers which are, we use square brackets, comma, positive infinity, infinite numbers of solution. But therefore, x minus 4 greater than minus 12. Again, let's solve number 5. 2 plus x greater than 61. 2 minus 2 plus x greater than 61 minus 2, because 2 is 0 positivities. Therefore, x greater than 62 minus 2 becomes 59. X greater than 59. This shows that 59, comma, positive infinity. It follows. Number 5. It is number 5. Okay. Again, 12 minus x. I can move x to the right side, plus x less than 1 5 plus x, and this becomes 0. It becomes 12 less than or equal to 1 5 minus 1 5 plus it will be let it be as it is. Therefore, minus 12 minus 1 5 both sides from right and left side, plus x. Therefore, 50 minus 5 becomes 0. 12 minus 5 becomes negative 3. Less than or equal to what? Less than or equal to x. This means that x greater than or equal to negative 3. X greater than or equal to negative 3. This shows that in interval form, close interval minus 3, comma, positive infinity. Again, let's move to 7. question number 7. X minus 9 less than 3. X minus 9 plus 9 less than equal to 3 plus 9. And x less than equal to 3 plus 9 becomes 12. This means that the numbers which are less than 12 are negative infinity and closing interval 2, 12, 12, 12, 12. Number 8. X minus 2 plus 2 less than equal to 3 plus 2. X less than equal to 3 plus 2 becomes 5. X less than equal to 5 means that x, the first solution x equals to 5. And the second solution is x less than 5. In interval form, it can be written as numbers which are less than 5 are negative infinity and it's open interval minus infinity, comma 5. When you insert one number between minus infinity and 5, including 5, the answer will be true. Let's check. Let's be 5. The question x minus 2 less than or equal to 3. Let's insert next x be 4, which is it is less than 5. Therefore, 4 minus 2 less than or equal to 3. 4 minus 1 less than or equal to 3. It has two meaning. Number 1 less than 3. Number 2 1 equals to 3. It is wrong. This is right. Therefore, when you insert one number between minus infinity and 5, the question will becomes true. Therefore, let us solve the ninth question to x plus 5. Number 9, x plus 5 greater than minus 1/4. X plus 5 minus 5 greater than 1/4 minus 5. X greater than minus 1/9.